Good morning and welcome to this wonderful Bauma weather. I thought we're going to have a little bit closer look at the new backhoe loader from SDLG, the B877. So it's a standard side shift backhoe loader. It has a 1 cubic meter bucket in the front and a 600 millimeter bucket in the rear. It's powered by a Weichai Deutz 70 kilowatt engine, and the power is transferred down to the ground with the through the Carraro transmission and axles. It has a great cab space. You have good visibility, good comfort, and good access to all the all the levers and controls that you need for your operation. If we look a little bit here at the front, we can see that it has a parallel linkage for best parallel movement when you load. It also gives you excellent pushing power when you're using your loader part. As you can see from the cab, you have great glass areas, ample lighting for safe operation, really. If we look just quickly here at the excavator part, you can see that on this machine you have an extendable arm, but of course you can have the machine with a standard arm as well. And it is as you can see, a side shift, so you can move the excavator sideways. Of course, you can have extra hydraulics fitted to the machine, so you can run your hammer or any other hydraulic attachment that you need. From this side, you can see that the cab is equipped with 2 doors, so you can have easy entry and access from both sides. The angle is good, so you will have very easy entry and access. Also on this side, you will find your battery box, and as well with the battery disconnect switch. On the other side, you will have your toolbox. So you have an outside toolbox for best convenience for you as an operator.